Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing fine, awesome, superb. Okay, today I am making a one-pot oxtail stew, and here I have 2 pounds of oxtail. It has been washed and cleaned. 3 cloves of garlic. So let's shred these. I like to shred my garlic so it can be blended in properly when I'm doing it on meat. I'm going to add some pepper sauce. If you know me, you know I like my food spicy. Add in some all-purpose seasoning, black pepper, and jerk seasoning. This is what I use, guys. I don't use a lot of different seasonings, so this is just my 3 seasonings that I use. And I'm adding some brown meal. I'm going to rub this up. So guys, I didn't get to post this video yesterday, which was Independence Day. I hope everyone had a jolly time. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share, and thank you all so much for the support. We're going to cover this and put it in the fridge for overnight. So when you see me next, it's time to cook this. Alright? Out of the fridge and ready to be cooked. So we need to just put a little bit of oil in the pot. Remember that oxtail can be fatty sometimes, so you don't need to use a lot of oil. And we're going to pressure this, but let's just put it in. Yes guys, that's how we're looking now. We're going to pressure this, but before we do that, remember we're stewing our oxtail. We are not boiling it, so we're not going to put it in the pressure just yet. So guys, after 10 minutes, this is how we are looking. We are now going to transfer this into our pressure pot and cook this, not exactly until it's tender, but so I put some water in the pot that was cooking the oxtail, and we are now going to pour this in, just enough to cover it. Check back on it because we don't want it to be too soft. We're going to cook the Irish and the other stuff because remember we are cooking a one pot today. Guys, me say the oxtail them tender is a shame. 10 minutes and me oat meat and watch it cook. Me not even the want it so soft because you know say the Irish and everything supposed to cook down in it. So I'm going to transfer it back to the other pot now. I don't like cooking other big. My pressure pot too big, so I'm going to transfer it back in the first pot, and then we are going to put in the Irish and stuff. And just like that, guys. Looking lovely, ain't it? And you know, so we have to go put back some more water. Okay guys, so this is what we're going to put in the oxtail. We have some carrots. You know, we scrape our carrot and cut them up like this. Cut the Irish in similar pieces so them cook same time. Then I have some flour, a little bit. We just make some spinners and put in the pot. Because you know we Jamaican love our dumpling, right? But I just some little roly dumpling I put in it. We have some sweet pepper, onion, thyme and pepper. We are putting this last because we don't want these to get cooked out and mushy. We want them for the pepper them to stand up firm in the thing. So we're gonna put in the Irish right now. our meat is soft already, so let's just try to get the Irish and stuff in the bottom of the pan and carry the meat them up on top. So guys, you know, say when doing this menu you have to be careful. Don't make the same mistake that I make by making the meat get so soft. You see, my barely can't angle it. I don't know if I'm a pressure bad or the oxtail soft, but check on it frequently when you are doing this recipe, because you don't want your oxtail to be too soft before you put in the Irish and the other stuff. Alright guys, so this is where we at. We're going to let this simmer down a little, about halfway, then we'll put in the rest of the stuff. I went ahead and put some ketchup in it, just about 3 tablespoons of ketchup in it. And now I am going to put in my little spinner's dumpling, just some little cute dumpling like that. So you know them dumpling are called spinners, right? I am assuming that because you put them in your palm and away you spin, but them should have named rollers instead of spinners, because and a spin you spin it, a roll you roll it. Anyway, me grew up here, people are call it spinners, so spinners it is. So you see that pattern now, everything in a one. Whoops. By the time you cover, so just cover your pot now and make everything boil up. See? So guys, now we're putting in our seasoning, onion, sweet pepper, thyme, all of that. Again, add a little warm water to that. And once this is simmered, we're good to go. Just let this simmer for about 5 minutes and we are ready to plate this up. Yep, 1 pot oxtail. So we are ready guys, the stove is off. Let's just remove our thyme and plate this up. There we have it, our 1 pot oxtail stew. I'm going to plate this and get back to you. See it there, 1 pot oxtail stew guys. Start the truth, I know no one, so just try it and let me know in the comment section down below. I know you're gonna love it. That's my super fan. Happy Independence Day. Yeah, this is my Independence Day dinner. Oh my god, it tastes so good. Shona son not always have to eat rice or stuff. Rice and the regular, you know, rice and peas. They can turn it and make fashion. Yep.